an elephant, never forget to be kind. I repeat, remember like an elephant, never forget to be kind. Thank you. Thank you for your sharing meaningful thought. Next, we have a short speech on if animals could speak. Let's be kind to them. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I want to speak on the topic if animals could speak. If animals could talk like us, I am sure they would say only one thing. Please be kind to us. The dog would ask for love instead of stones. The cow would ask for care after giving us milk. The parrot would beg for freedom from cages. The monkey would say, don't use me for entertainment. Animals may not speak our language, but they have feelings like us. They feel hunger, pain, joy, and fear. God has given us the duty to care for them, but not to hurt them. So let us promise today, no cruelty, no cages, no neglect. Only kindness, love, and respect. Because the world will be truly beautiful when human and animals live together in harmony. Thank you for your inspiring speech. Friends, animals may not speak our language, but they have feelings, wisdoms and lessons to teach us. In this skit, different animals will alive and share what's in their hearts. Let us listen to the voice of dog, parrot, cow, monkey, who remind us how to live with love, care and respect for all living beings. What they will say for us? Yes, to share. I wonder what they would say to us. Oof, at last I can speak. Dear children, we don't love you so much. But sometimes people throw stones at us or leave us hungry on the streets. All we need is litter, food, love and care. No dear dog, we never thought of your pain. Today we promise kind to you. Oh, what a little cow. I give milk every day. But sometimes people beat me, hurt me, or leave me when I'm old. Is this fair? No dear cow, you give us so much. We should treat you with respect and kindness always. Hello children, I'm the parrot. People love me to see it, but my heart cries to fly an open sky. We are birds happily when we are free. Oh dear parrot, today onwards we will not keep birds in cage. You deserve in sky, but not us. I am the monkey. People love when I dance on the street, but we don't dance for fun. We forced and beaten and tired. We too have families and we too have pain. We are sorry, monkey. No one should force you will suffer. We will spread the message. Animals are not for entertainment. They are our friends.
Ha! Animals are only for money. I hunt, I sell, I earn money. Why should we humans care about them?
Dear friends, animals are not our slaves. They are also our friends. Today, animals could speak. They will say only one thing, kind to us. We are living beings too. We feel hunger, pain, love and fear. God created us not to be tortured, but to live in harmony. Thank you. Be kind to them. Animals are not ourselves. A kindness makes us the world beautiful. Thank you. Thank you for the wonderful and thought-provoking skit. To celebrate the beauty of all living beings, here is a dance performance by Class 5A.
भूल गया इंसान की वो पहले क्या था। भूल गया इंसान की भगवान ने उसे किस रूप में धरती पर भेजा था। आज उसी रूप को इंसान ने बेबस और लाचार बना दिया। भूल गया इंसान कि वो भी पहले जानवर था। क्यों लेते हैं उनकी जान अपने शौक पूरे करने के लिए? क्यों करते हैं उनका इस्तेमाल अपने को ढकने के लिए? क्या हुआ अगर वो बोल नहीं सकता, पर दी है जिंदगी भगवान ने सभी को, क्या इंसान ये देख नहीं सकता? बनाया गया था हमें अच्छाई के लिए, बदल गया इंसान अपनी भलाई के लिए। अरे रुक जा रे बंदे, बंद कर तेरा कहर, बनाया है उसे भी भगवान ने जीने के लिए। ना दे उसे जहर, ना दे उसे जहर।